Hola estudiantes, bienvenidos a su clase de español online. Mi nombre es Silvia Vázquez y voy a ser su profesora de español este semestre. In this video tutorial, I will go over the basic things that you need to know to start your online class. So let's go, and the first thing that you need to do is to go to the Saddleback website and then click on Blackboard. This will open your Blackboard account and you will just browse around the courses that you are enrolled in, locate our class, and then that will open our platform. All the class will be on Blackboard, and here on the left you will see a menu. The first thing is to start here, bienvenidos. You will have here a little bit of information about myself, the video, and also the things that you need to do to get your class ready. Here is a checklist, and I did everything step by step. First step is read the syllabus. So this is one of the most important things that you have to do. Your first day is just go over the syllabus. There is information about the important dates, how to buy your book, beware of buying used books. There is also a list of the assignments, what they entitle. And here you have a summary of all the points per chapter, all the assignments. I recommend you print this page and have it handy to know what to expect every week. There is also information on how to contact technical support for Blackboard, for Saddleback, and for Connect. Okay, so once you are done reading the syllabus, I want you to take the first day of the class quiz. This is a questionnaire about the syllabus. It's just to make sure that you have read the syllabus and also to certify that you have attended to the first day of the class. Okay, and just keep working those steps down on how to prepare the computer, how to connect. Connect, that is the online platform of your book to Mundo. It's called Connect, and here's how to link it. And the last thing is talking about the lab. This class has a lab. To fulfill that requirement by the state, you need to spend 16 hours doing lab activities during the semester, and those lab activities I will talk to you a little bit later on. If we keep going down our left side menu, you're gonna see the information on syllabus, so you can access the syllabus from the start here, bienvenidos, or for the information on syllabus tab, again you're gonna have the syllabus, and here you're gonna have more information on how to register in Connect, the information for the Connect support team, how to keep grade of track of your grade. This is a document where you have basically all the assignments and the points, the same thing from the syllabus, how to insert accents, some of the rubrics. So here is more like information and syllabus. You will probably use this during the semester just to go as a reference. The announcement tabs, here is where I will post any announcement. I usually do it weekly. There will be information about due dates and things that you need to do. Usually I email those announcements to your Saddleback email account. Make sure you always check your Saddleback email account. I only send emails to your college email account. You keep going down. Here's our lesson plans. Right now we have lesson 1 on. As we keep progressing, there will be more lesson posted. So to start with the first lesson, you will just click here on lesson plan, and you will see the overview of where we're going to cover, the due date, and the same thing. You're going to start working your way down. You have step 1, so you will click here, and that will open the activity, and it will explain you what to do, and you keep clicking on those. You keep working. Step 2, work on the vocabulary. You click on the tab, you do the activities of the vocabulary. Same thing, grammar activities. Click, and this, you keep clicking this open Connect with your account. Okay, and Connect is your online book again. So that's how I will lose the step. This is how basically this lesson plan works. There are steps and they have numbers for each step, and you just have to complete each step to make sure you have done all the required activities for the chapter, okay? And as I told you, there will be some language lab activities that they are required. You need to spend 16 hours during the semester, so just make sure that each chapter you spend enough time to complete those 16 hours. Doesn't mean you have to complete all the activities listed here. You can say, okay, this week I'm gonna complete 2 hours, next week 4 hours, as long as you complete 16 hours by the end of the semester. But make sure you do, because if you don't, you're not gonna get that 10% of your grade, and you cannot complete the 16 hours on the lesson 8 or lesson 7. You have to do it from lesson 1, okay? So just work a little bit each week. It's going to help you also to be prepared for the quiz. Each chapter will have a quiz or an exam, and those activities definitely help. More things that you need to know. This is the lesson, and when you are done with that lesson, you are finished with your lesson for those weeks. And then you have the next step, that is my grades. Here's where you're going to check your grades. I want you to check your grades weekly for each lesson to make sure there is no discrepancies. If there are any discrepancies, you have to contact me as soon as possible. Don't wait until the last day of the class to raise a question about a grade from chapter 1, okay? And then there is a forum for question and answer here. If you have any questions about the class, something that you don't know how it works, you will post it here. Anyone is welcome to answer that question. I will try my best to answer it as soon as possible, but if I don't, please go ahead and answer what your classmate is asking. Don't ask any personal questions or anything about grades. You can do that by emailing me. And this is everything that for now you need to know. Just know this is the tab. This is where you're gonna find all your information. And I wish you a wonderful semester. I can't wait to get to meet you. And remember, I'm here. You can contact me by email or by Skype. I would love to help you with anything you need. Have a good semester. See you soon.